Hi, Mateo.
Hi.
So, we're about to make and eat our elf spaghetti. How does that make you feel?
Good.
Good. What do you think it's going to taste like?
I don't know.
Is it going to be good?
Maybe.
All right. We'll be back to see his afterthoughts. Elf spaghetti, was it a success?
Yeah.
How was it?
Very, very good.
What did it taste like?
Tastes like breakfast.
Breakfast. Nice breakfast spaghetti, people. Get it. Okay, let's jump into it. This is how we made our elf spaghetti. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. Maple syrup. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. And if you try it, let me see your version of elf spaghetti. Tag me at sammmade on Instagram and visit my website, sammmade.space, for the full recipe. Until next time.